Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm making some banana ice cream, and the things that I need are bananas. I'm going to use two. You can use more, and don't worry about the brownness. The browner the banana, the sweeter the ice cream. I'm going to use some milk, and this one is going to be my ice cream bowl, and I'm going to use this to chop my bananas, and this one to freeze my bananas. So after peeling the bananas, you chop them up. And also you're going to need a blender to blend everything. So you have to have a blender and a fridge so you can freeze the bananas. I had a lot of bananas getting spoiled in the house, so I decided why not make some ice cream. So now that all that is sliced up, I put it here and freeze this for about 2 hours. Oh, they're sliding. And I hope you cleaned your hands before doing this. I cleaned mine. So oh, this is so slidey. So there you have it. We're going to freeze this for about 2 hours. See you in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
So after 2 hours, your bananas are frozen. You put them in your blender. If you don't need any milk or something, you can just blend them like that. But for me, I'll have to add a bit of milk. So don't add all of it, just add like a teaspoon. Yeah, like that. And you can use the cream, it's nice. So after you're done, it should have such a consistency, and so it's like this. You transfer it into your ice cream bowl, into your bowl. I didn't make a lot because I didn't know how it's going to turn out, but it hasn't disappointed me, and I love that. So just transfer everything into your ice cream bowl. Oh, look at that. Ah, delicious. Oopsie. Oh, this is so nice. So proud of myself. Oh. You can have it like this, or you can freeze it and have it as an ice cream. You know, this is self-serve, right? So after all this, just look at that. Look at that. Now we freeze it.
One eternity later.
If you remove it from the fridge and it's extra hard, just let it set for 10 minutes or 20. So let's see how mine came out. Oh, it's lovely. Ooh, this is nice. You see? And delicious. Look at that. I hope you like this video. Share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.